So hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about installing Istio Service Mesh with Observability Add-ons on Ubuntu 24.04. So here Istio is one of the most powerful service mesh technologies available today. It provides a robust way to manage microservices traffic, security and observability. In this video, you'll learn how to set up Istio Service Mesh on Ubuntu 24.04 and deploy observability tools like Jaeger, Prometheus, Grafana and CLI. So we'll also run a sample microservices app and expose it using the port forwarding. So here the prerequisites are an Ubuntu 24.04 EC2 instance. So it is better to use a T2X large or better than that. You need at least 8 GB of RAM and 4 CPUs. Internet access, a security group with open ports, 22 SSH, 8080, 16686 and 20001, etc. for observability tools, and 300002, 32767 if using node ports, and Minikube and kubectl should be installed. So if you see the step-by-step guide, so in the step one, we'll download and set up the Istio CLI. So first we'll download the latest Istio release. So here the latest release is 1.26.0. So I'm going to use that. So copy this and paste it here. So it got downloaded and we are in the path. So now we have to add istioctl to our path by using this command. So now we have to make it permanent by using these three commands. So they are done. So now we have to install Istio on the Kubernetes. So first we'll install Istio control plane by using this command. So the control plane is getting downloaded. So let's wait for that. So here you can see it got installed here. So now we have to label the default namespace for automatic envoy injection by using this command. So click on enter. So here you can see the namespace default got labeled. So now we have to verify the installation by checking the pods whether they are running or not. So here you can see 3 pods are running, so it's working. So now we'll deploy a sample microservices app. So first we'll clone the microservices demo here by using Git. So it got cloned. So now we have to apply the deployment. So if you see here, we can see a Kubernetes manifest.yml. So here, we have to apply this YML. So I'll click on enter. So the application got created. So if you want to check, you have to use the kubectl get pods command here. So all these things will take some time to get running. So let's wait for that. So without wasting time, we'll do one thing. So in the step 4, we'll enable Istio observability add-ons here. So we'll apply Prometheus, Grafana, Jaeger, and KLE. So by using these 4 commands, so they got created. But for the Jaeger UI, we have to create a separate YAML here. So here I'll use this command. So here we'll use this code. Here the port range is 16686. So I'll save it and then apply it. So it got created. So now I have to port forward. So before that, let's check. So these are still initializing. So what we'll do means we'll use the port forward and we'll try to access the Jaeger, Prometheus, Grafana, and KLA here. So first we'll open the Jaeger by using this port forwarding. So here I'll take a new tab. So here we'll use the port forwarding here. So it's still in pending state. So let's wait for that. So here some are still creating. So let's wait. Then let's check the application. So here our application is running. So your load generator is still in initializing stage. So let's wait. So here everything is running. So now again we'll use the port forwarding here. So here the port forwarding got created. So here we can access the Jaeger by using port number 16686. So we'll copy the public IP here, paste it and use this port number. So here you can see we are able to access the Jaeger UI here. So now let's check some other UIs also. So now we'll check the Prometheus. So the port number is 9090. So here you can see the Prometheus is also working. So now let's check the Grafana. So here the port number is 3000. So here you can see the Grafana is also working. So now we'll try the KLE here. So here the port number is 20001. So here you can see the KL is working, and here you can see this is our application here. So here you can see all the parts are running from the application. So here our application is running. So this is the KL here. This is of the Istio system control pane, and this is our application. So in the step by we'll verify the service mesh working or not. So we'll use CLI to visualize the service mesh topology and traffic flow. So here you can see the mesh here. So this is the mesh and this is our application. So here we'll select default. So here you can see this is our application. So here we can see individual service here. So here we can see the network and everything here. So card service. So here you can see everything here. So front end checkout service. So we can select here everything and see also. So this is the traffics and this is the inbound metrics and this is the outbound metrics. So that's how it works. So that's how we can use this Istio. So now we'll try to access the application by using port forward again. So we'll use this here. So the port number is 8080. So I'll try to copy the public address and give the port number 8080. So here you can see this is our application. So here our application is running. So that's it. So this is the KLA console. You can also see the traffic graph here. So this is the whole traffic graph here with all the services of the application. So here you can see the inbound and outbound also. You can also see the workloads here and also the services and also the Istio config. So there's nothing here. And select the Istio system here. So this is the mesh. So if you see in the conclusion, monitoring your deployed application with the Istio observability tools provides deep insights into the health, performance, and behavior of your microservices. By integrating Prometheus for metric collection, Grafana for visualization, Jaeger for distributed tracing, and KLI for real-time service mesh visualization, you gain a powerful unified observability stack. This setup not only helps you troubleshoot issues quickly, but also enables proactive performance tuning and infrastructure optimization. Whether you are running in development or production, Istio's observability feature are essential for maintaining a resilient and transparent Kubernetes environment. So this is about installing Istio Service Mesh with observability add-ons on Ubuntu 24.04. So that's it for today. So yeah, thank you.